Many dry hours expected for our Sunday, but take along that umbrella just in case. We will have about a 30% chance of a few hit and miss showers through the afternoon. If you're heading to the Plainfield Kindness Walk, temperatures in the mid-70s, a couple of those showers and similar conditions for the Pride Community Picnic and ball game. We'll have a couple of those showers around 76 for the high in Indianapolis, 78 in Muncie. Temperatures near average as the week goes on. We'll go from below average temperatures to possibly our first 90 by next weekend.